Hey guys, now got my little Lippisch. I took this for a Maiden on Boxing Day, and a little bit comical. We got it all set up with a 2200 in there, got all the CG right, receiver sitting up there. So anyway, double check everything, change the throws on the ailerons, elevators, so basically the elevator mix, and Chris went to hand launch it and I'll show you what happened. We throttled up and basically spat every single fan blade out the back. So we're going to stick a new fan unit in it. So we're going to go with this little gem. This is out of one of my 64mm Phantoms, and we've got a little Inrunner there. This is 3S, 4S capable, but we'll plug up the 40 amp from that because we're only going to run it on 3S. Right, we're all complete. New Inrunners inside there. I had to compress the foam a little bit where the fan sits in place, just because this EDF unit had a ring round it, basically help hold it in place. A little bit of hot glue to hold it in place. All screwed back up. Right. So I've run it up. This is on 3S. Just a little half throttle pull. And also with this set up on this motor, we can also go 4S. Obviously I ain't putting a 2900 4S pack in it, but it will run on a little 1300 4S. And that's got loads more. So there we go guys. Hopefully now I can get to have a little play with it. I know I'm sort of 4 years late to the party with this little Lippisch, and I haven't actually had a go on it yet with the standard motor, but there we go. We'll try it with this Inrunner system. Made my little Phantom a good 100 mph model, so this is a similar weight. We'll see how it goes guys. Keep your eyes out for the Maiden. Thanks for watching.